Alright guys, honey Jefe, I believe this is part 4, this is my recap. So, this is what I pulled today. I pulled 7 supers. I'll be right back. But I'll blow them off again. So I've closed everything up. It's July 12th, 2025. Show you what I've done. This is the shingles that I put. It does help quite a bit. I put it on the other side too. I need to put them on the outside and the back of these hives to help. Man, I'm burning up. So, first hive looks good. Didn't do anything to it. I just checked them, they look fine. Second hive, added a honey super with the queen excluder to keep the queen from going up and laying brood, and my medium frames. The frames in there are currently just wet. I recently have extracted the honey from them, so they just need to be cleaned out and filled up, capped, and the bees will probably use it over the winter. Same thing for number 4, the 2 of clubs, 3 of spades there. Just gonna leave it be. It's got an internal frame feeder. I did not add anything to it. Just gonna leave it be. It looks like they're doing fine. This hive here is the one that had 5 honey supers. I pulled 4 of them, added the top one back, which is on top now, and then under supered a dadgummit, stupid wasp. Added the a honey super with wet comb. If I can reach. I'm not gonna be happy leaving that wasp nest just sitting there. But I under supered. I'm just gonna knock it down. At least make them unhappy. These guys look okay. I did not open up. If they had, the only ones I opened up were the ones I pulled honey from, which was this tall hive and this tall hive. I looked in the top of the first one and I opened up the single deeps, which are the ones that have the super mediums on them, the medium supers and the queen excluders. And I opened up this one and this one to make sure they had brood, and they do. But they're not growing as much as I'd like, so I don't want to add a honey super on top of them. Anyway, so I pulled out 4 from here. I brought 4 honey supers from home with wet frames. Added 1 underneath there. The top one stayed on top, and the same with this one. I added a honey super there. I pulled 3 from here, so I have 7 total that I pulled. I returned 4. These guys all look pretty good. There's a bunny rabbit living near the one of these hives. I kept hearing something like loud, like too loud to be a bee. And I ended up scaring it off. I was hoping it was like a snake or something like that. I was looking forward to seeing that, but there's none that I could easily see. Of course, you know, you walk across snakes all the time. They don't really bother you, even the venomous ones. So that's what I have for today. So I closed up my gate. I put this T-post back in, like I like it. I need to mow. I need to do some roundup, some shingles or mats. I need to pull some more honey supers. I don't think I'll be back tomorrow to do that. I think I'll be barely getting those harvested. But I need to pick that up. Let's see. I'll show you what I do. We're gonna be driving a bit, so I'm gonna take the tops off of this. The way any bee that pops off, that pops their head out, and they fly up at a stoplight or something like that, they won't be coming home with me. The two frames on the right, they're cat, but it's not full of honey. I may or may not do that. This is just extra deep that I brought. My fume boards, my ladder, or my step stool, my box, my bucket of tools, and I need to make sure that lid doesn't come off easily. I'll just do this. You can see down there, I got fuel down in there. I got a lighter, a few other things. That's my bucket there with a Roundup. So I need to get going, so not so many bees will follow me to the gate. But guys, I appreciate you watching. It's Honey Jefe here. It's honey with a J, like jalapeno. It's Jeff with one F. Oh man, it's hot. Between two E's. Honey Boss. HoneyJefe.com, guys. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great one.